In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to any exchange for free in 2025. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can seamlessly trade using TradingView's comprehensive charts and real-time data. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView, a widely used platform for analyzing markets. It's important to have your TradingView account set up beforehand, as this will allow you to utilize its powerful features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top panel where you'll see an option labeled All Brokers. This is your gateway to connecting TradingView with various exchanges. Clicking on All Brokers opens a list of brokers and exchanges compatible with TradingView. This list is extensive, offering varied options to fit your trading needs. Today, for demonstration purposes, we'll select Binance, a popular choice for many traders due to its robust features and diverse trading options. However, feel free to explore and choose the exchange that aligns with your trading style. Once you've selected your preferred exchange, such as Binance in this example, you'll notice a Connect button next to it. Clicking on Connect will initiate the linking process between TradingView and the exchange. This function is straightforward and designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you don't have to tackle any complex setups. Next, you'll want to verify that the connection was successful. You can do this by looking for a small green light circle indicating that the broker connection is legitimate and fully operational. This step is crucial for ensuring that your trades execute correctly and that your account information is safe. Now, with your exchange successfully linked, let's explore how to make trades directly from TradingView. Simply right-click on your TradingView chart where you wish to place an order and select Add Order. This intuitive step allows you to set your buy or sell positions quickly and efficiently. The TradingView interface provides you with a real-time view of the market, helping you make informed decisions. If you're ready to place a trade, you'll see the buy and sell buttons available at your disposal. Clicking either buy or sell will execute your order and reflect immediately on your connected exchange account. This seamless integration of TradingView with your exchange allows you to take advantage of real-time market conditions, enhancing your trading strategy. In summary, connecting TradingView to your preferred exchange is a simple and free process that offers traders powerful tools for market analysis and trade execution. With these steps, you can enhance your trading setup, leveraging the best of TradingView's analytics with the flexibility of any exchange you choose. Thanks for watching and happy trading!